Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. I have a Dollarama haul. It has a little bit of some random Halloween little pieces that I was super excited to find, except that they're not decor. I shared a bunch of decor. Those things are all cleared out from all of my stores, unfortunately. So if you are out there and you find them, I hope you do some cute stuff. I'll maybe put a little video clip of what I'm referring to. But I was lucky to find some other little pieces just for dress up and all that stuff. I found these awesome t-shirts. They're made by the Gildan company, and this is an ultra cotton, and it's considered a medium, but this is super tiny. It's not a large, it's not a big medium. I think it's a youth. It might be a youth. Well, I don't know. It says ladies, but it's really small medium. And it's not that super stretch because it's kind of like a thicker cotton. And then I got a youth medium, which is actually, I think, interestingly enough, let's put them side by side. But yeah, I think the black youth is bigger than the red ladies, so it goes to show you how small the medium is. But I bought these for my daughter, and I think that they'll be fun to just put in her wardrobe. Just plain things. Okay, a few these silver placemats I think will be fun to use for maybe a Christmas DIY. I've done some work with it with them in the past where I like cut it, and it just has like a branchy feel to it. So pretty. And these are 45 centimeters by 30 centimeters. They're a nice size placemat. You can also do some wall decor with it. I had got a super looper, the magical ring. These sell at Mastermind Toys for $15 to $18. There's boxes of them at some of the Dollar Trees. So if you're looking for, you know, putting things together for stocking stuffers and stuff like that, they'll come in handy. They're quite fun. I'm not sure if you've ever heard of them. Basically, this is how they work. The kids kind of open them into a ring. It's a bunch of rings together. They open up kind of like in this picture here. And then they swing them with their hands opened like this or closed like this, and they swing them up and down across their body parts. So it's just a fun little toy for them to play with. I got some Pokemon cards to put to the side as well for our little ones in the family. My son used to be obsessed with these things. Love them. He's grown up. He's actually given a lot of his Pokemon cards away, and he's kept some of his favorites in a little tin in his room. But we do know some little ones who love Pokemon, so I bought some packages. And I got some pencils. These are really cute. They're pastel colored, and then they have little sayings on them. So it says, "Think happy, let's do this." And I might just film it for you guys so you can see "Shine bright, create more," and it's just written in silver along the barrel. It's really pretty with little stars and stuff. I have been searching for one of these for months. Well, I can't say months because we were shut down for a while, so for weeks. And I couldn't find them anywhere. Finally, there were two left on a shelf. I just needed one. I made a really beautiful vase for Easter last year where I glued gems and everything to it, clear ones, and I loved it. And I wanted to do something else with this here. So I'm looking forward to sharing with you how I transform this into something cute for home decor. I'm finding it a little bit easier just to put things on my lap, so then when I share with you, I kind of toss them to the side. I purchased this e.l.f. sculpting face brush. It's on an angle. I've never tried it. I have another e.l.f. brush that I purchased a couple years ago that I absolutely love, and I think I paid around $8 for it. So I do think the value is there for these. I purchased this just for my makeup bag, for my goodies, and I will keep you posted to let you know if the brush holds up well and how the handle holds up. But I've passed them up so many times because I just have my Sephora brushes and stuff, but then I thought, no, you know what, I'm gonna grab one of these just in case it works really nice for blush or something like that. I purchased some Trident watermelon for my boy. He loves having gum when he's playing video games, and I'd rather him chew gum than him eating other stuff. And then I purchased the Armor All. This one here is Arctic Cool. They had a few different smells. I can't remember all of them right now, and they had a ton of products for cleaning your wheels, you're cleaning your leather, lots of stuff out right now for Armor All. So if you're looking to put together a nice car care package for someone. Maybe they purchase a new vehicle, or you need to put together a birthday gift or something like that. Those things always come in handy. We're cleaning our cars, we're making them smell good, we want to keep them nice and shiny. So those are always, Armor All is a great brand, so don't be afraid to try purchase it and you know, even give it away as a gift if you're not using it for yourself. These are so darn cute. I had to purchase one for my daughter. I think she's a bit too grown up now for this, but maybe around the house when she's playing around, she'll like that. I also got her this accessory kit. Isn't it so cute? It has a little cat tail, the little kitty ears, and the little bow. And then with that, the price for these, if you go to Ardene's or one of those little I call them mini bop kind of stores, you're gonna pay an easily $7 to $10, even more for little kits like this. So I had to buy that. I had to buy these for her. There's the accessory kit with the unicorn, and it has a little tail and a bow and the ears, and then a little, I guess you could call it a cat still too, or like a little leopard or something. Again, the tail, the bow, and the little headband. Aren't these darling? I just love them. Also got her a little folding brush mirror. And that's just so she can put it in her backpack and her little toiletry bags. She says, Mom, my hair sometimes gets messy and I just want a little brush or something like that after gym. So I think I'm just going to toss that in, and it looks like it's safe and secure. Also purchased these headbands for her. This is a 6-pack. I think it's a pretty good value. There's some basic neutral colors. Then there's some with little silver detailing in there, if you could see that. And I think just to have a few little headbands is always nice. She likes to wash her face too, and I think it helps keep your hair back. Oh, did you guys see in my videos that these are back? They were all stocked up at along the top of the Dollar Tree rows. They had the Frozen, they had, oh dear, I can't remember all of them, but they did have a bunch of different Color Alive. So how these work actually is the child downloads an app onto their iPad or cell phone or whatever they have, or what are those things, iPods. It works not just to iPhone, it goes with Google Play and App Store and Microsoft. And then they color in the image or whatever it is, and then the little image comes alive, so you can like kind of carry it around and poke it around the room. It's quite neat. My daughter had, I don't remember if it was, I think it was Barbie. She had a Barbie one and she was having fun with it around the room because Barbie would just appear and stuff. Then there's the unicorn headband. Love this. I wish I had this. I think it was a couple years ago. Last year I was not a unicorn. The year before I was a unicorn, and I had bought the Dollar Tree one, but it wasn't as pretty as this one. I just wish that this one was available back then. But anyways, I just pretty much bought this for myself. Not so much for her, but isn't it beautiful? Like, I wish I had this unicorn headpiece back then. All right, a few more items. This haul is not so big, as I think I had visited 2 Dollar Trees in the one day. So what happened was I purchased probably a lot more at one than I did the other. I was looking for the clear Jots, what are these called? Button file bags, but they had sold out, so I don't know what happened. They got completely sold out. There was a stack this high, unless they moved somewhere else in the store and I couldn't find them. So I resorted to this teal color. She loves them, but what I love these for is in her backpack. She'll put her agenda in here and all her extra, like if she brings home any work or a loose piece of paper or one of her writing notebooks, they go in here and then go into her backpack. And I just find if her water bottle opens and spills, if something, at least it's protected in plastic. And I find that she just loves organized. She's very organized, much more organized than me. She likes to put all her things in here, and then she just pulls everything out of her backpack, does her work at home, puts everything back in, and puts it back in her backpack. So I'm finding it's really, really convenient. If you have little ones, highly recommend it if they have a day planner that comes home to be signed every day, you know, those kinds of things. It just really does protect it from any type of spills or anything that happens in their backpack. Even just their lunch packs being pushed on it and then it bends a page or something like that. I purchased these. These are made by Luna International, and they're 2 to 3. I bought them for the little ones in the family. I'm just gonna put them aside, but these I believe were at Target at one point. I don't know, I feel like they were. There's just such beautiful colors here, very neutral, like bright but neutral, like they're not like an in color, like you've got your blacks, your pinks, your blues, they're all pretty stapled colors. And I think if I find a really cute little dress or something, it would put together a nice little gift. Stickers, gem stickers, these I can use all the time. I've been on a bit of a mermaid kick lately. I was so good with not buying stickers, but here's another little pack of stickers. And then I also been looking a lot at the wall decals because they have some beautiful, like the laundry one and the kitchen one, and then these just speak to me because this is what I have, some of the colors. I always have this nostalgic feeling with these because they remind me a lot of tiles in Portugal and stuff. So I always gravitate towards the blues and these whites and creams. Just I think because of my background and going to Portugal all the time, it just brings me back to that. I think it's a nostalgic feeling when I see these types of patterns and stuff. I also purchased some parchment paper. This stuff is fantastic for the kitchen. I love it. It's 25 square feet. I always purchase a box. Well, I haven't in a long time. I was out, but I always purchase a box at Dollar Tree. I don't buy my parchment paper anywhere else. I won't buy it at Walmart. I think it's 4 times the price and it's ridiculous. I buy it at Dollar Tree and I'm good to go. I was so impressed to find these. This one's a food and fitness tracker. At this store, this is all that they had. At another store when I went, they had a budget tracker. And so if you've seen some of my shop with me's, you would see that later come on. And I am just so impressed. This is such great quality. But it isn't a Greenbrier thing. It's TF Publishing. Printed in South Korea. It's great. Nice thick pages. It's not cheapy. I'm going to do a nice flip through on the side table here so you guys can actually get a good feeling for the pages. Absolutely beautiful. You would easily pay $10 plus, you know where. I'll say Michael's. They'll charge you a lot of money for these things with your planners. The nice thing too is if you really want to go all out, you can hole punch through these here, possibly very carefully, maybe bending it and, you know, flipping it in half and hole punching it somehow or another, and then putting it into your binder or whatever it is that you organize your life with. So that is a fantastic deal. Now hopefully I can just get back onto my fitness goals and start tracking them in there. More crackers. We love, well, my daughter loves these and so does my husband, the Crackle Pop. They're thin crackers, sour cream and onion. These are not always in stock. Sometimes they'll be the sour cream, sometimes they'll have more cheddar. It depends. We really like these ones. They taste, I think the brand is similar to Crispers. So they're very fresh, very crispy, very good with some cheese. I've been slowly collecting some of these little Kleenex packages. There's 8 in a pack and I'm donating them to the school, to the kids' classrooms. Usually I buy the bigger ones. I think I've talked to you guys about that. But this year things are a little different. So I'll donate these in their individual Kleenex packages. And again, 8 of them in here. Great for the car too. Like if you need to keep them for yourself or in your purse. These are really handy. My grandma always had them. So it's something maybe it's like, you know, old school, but my grandma always had a little tissue pack and I've always had a tissue pack. She used to buy them for me when I was younger and she always had them out with like a new cream and some tissue, and so it's just been my thing since I was a young kid. And then I've got, another Lynn Corp Canada. So there was there's navy blues, there's light grays, and dark gray. So I have already a dark gray and a light gray. I bought another dark gray because I'm putting it in the kitchen, kind of layered with another one in the kitchen. Oh my gosh, in the bathroom. These are bathroom towels. However, they do have wonderful kitchen towels as well if you're looking. I found some masks. So this one's black and it's a super thin mask. I actually opened one for my daughter already so she could have it as a spare. She has not used it because she loves all her cotton ones that have prints, but just in case she needs, I don't know, a 4th mask or something as school crazy, it's in her emergency backup pack. So she's got like her backup and then she's got an emergency backup. So that's what that's for. Also purchased these for her. She likes having these things in her bath. She more plays with them than anything else because she has all her other stuff, but I just got them for her because I think she likes playing with them. So there's body lotion, cherry blossom, and then we got fresh scent. This is made by April Showers. Sometimes you'll have the 2-pack sometimes you'll have the bonuses, I think around Christmas time, and they'll come with a 3-pack. So I watch out for it because it has body lotion and body wash, and I think the other one has something else, and I can't remember if, what does the other one have? It has 3. I can't even remember what it is. Oh, I had hauled a pink one. I'd actually bought it for Rob's grandmother because I think I'll put it together for her as a little thing. Might make washing her back a little easier because it's like an expandable one. It's exfoliating. These are the Clean Logic. I believe that Shoppers sold them at one point. They have a ton of them now at Dollar Tree. They have blue, they have pink, they have all the colors and different things, not just this here. But I purchased one for Nona, and then I thought, you know what, even for my son, you know, they get to a certain age and they no longer even want you near their washrooms. So I just thought in case he needs like a good exfoliation of his back, you know, going through puberty and stuff, you might need a good scrubbing back there, especially, I don't know, oil buildup or whatever, and acne problems, any of that stuff. So I thought I'd grab this for him. It does clean and massages dull, dry skin, and it has a little hoop hanger thing so you can hang it in the shower. So anyways, I don't know if he'll use it. We'll see, but hopefully maybe he learns some really good hygiene techniques with these things and is not embarrassed to use them or something like that. Temporary hair color, purchased this for my daughter. I know this stuff does not work well. I know that. We've had not very good luck with it at all. However, I believe it was a purple spray, so I was gonna think of mixing it so that it would last a little bit longer for her. So that's what that's for. And just a few more things. And so I purchased another one of these Wizards. I think I've taught you guys about this. It's a wonderful toilet bowl cleaner, but it does have bleach. I have a full set almost. So there's the cocoa butter, there's the bubble teenies, they're little bath bombs, the big bubble teenies, and the meltaways. I know there's another item out there. I think it was a big box, a big package of little bath bombs. I never did get those, but hey, that's gonna be what it is. None of the stores I've been to, and I've been to at least 9 of them, had any of the pink. It was all the green, which is called Sweet and Clean. I don't know what the pink smells like, but that's okay. And I'm gonna share with you how I'm gonna put those together into beautiful little gift boxes. Anyways, until next time, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye for now.
Are turning brown, red and yellow, soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. The light that flickers will blow away the sun. Just yet, I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon.